don't really know how to say what I'm thinking. I mean, one doesn't think in words.
No? I just thought a whole sentence.
Of course you can when you try, but when you aren't thinking about what you're thinking, now that's something different.
Spirit.
Maybe, you know. The mind is vast. You could squeeze a lot of information into a very small space. Oh, you ever heard of the Sogdian merchants?
Yeah. Their children are legendary. They cannot haggle anyone by age 4.
Yeah, you have no idea.
What's their secret?
Oh, they have this special means of counting. Like, how high can you count on your fingers?
10.
Sogdians can count to 512.
Sogdians have 500 fingers?
Yeah. No. It's amazing. It's so fast, it looks random, and they're shouting at each other the whole time.
How does it work?
Okay. Well, the first thing to understand is that not every finger counts as a 1. Okay? Each finger represents a different number.
You already lost me.
Okay. This is a 1, right?
Of course.
Okay, so what do you suppose this is?
1.
Wrong. It's a 2. What do you suppose this is?
2.
Wrong. It's 3.
I don't get it. You're holding up 2 fingers.
Yeah, but remember, not every finger counts as 1. Each finger stands for a different number. So this finger doesn't count as a 1. Only the thumb counts as a 1. This finger counts as a 2.
All by itself?
All by itself. And that brings us to the next number, which is 4.
Why not a 3?
Because we already have a way to represent 3 using 2 fingers, remember? 2 plus 1. Okay, so using this 4, we can add up the next few numbers. Okay, so we can do like 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 plus 2 is 6. 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7. And that brings us to the next finger, which represents the number 8 all by itself.
So you've got 1, 2, 4, and 8?
Yeah, so then we can do 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. See?
I think so.
Okay, well, here's where things get interesting. As valuable as the system is, it's useful for more than just bartering.
Like what?
You can use it to represent ideas. Like the number 6 is meant to represent peace and harmony. And this is how we do 6 in the system. And 31, the number of days in a month, represents prosperity and long life.
How do you do 4 again? It's the number for order, stability, and family. Oh, right. I'll show that to my wife and kids when I get home. How do you do 666?
The system doesn't go that high. What is it?
It's the number for the devil.
I climb as high as possible into the sky where I can watch the movements of the world. The wind in the trees and the waves on the sea. And as the light begins to fade, I sink once more beyond the world and I patiently wait for its return.
Complete malfunction! I'll end up dragging her the rest of the way east.
What does it mean?
I'll figure it out, and then I'll come back and tell you. I'm really good at figuring things out. Do you see how fast I figured out that I love you?
Absurd! Machines can't love. This only proves how broken you are.
I love because I am a woman.
You are a property, a commodity, a means to a full belly.
I'll be back. I've almost got it. I just need a moment to think.
At least she's headed in the right direction.
The wind is picking up, and for the moment it blows east.
Oh, I see it too. Why don't you just pretend the chicken died?
Doesn't work. Non-existing chicken can't die. Just change my sign to a dead non-existing chicken.
Would it ease your mind if I just bought a chicken when I got home?
That would be wonderful. Thank you.
Okay, now, may I continue with my point now, please?
Please do, yeah. It's what we were meant to do.
There's no such thing